So today we saw there is one comparison of the modal versus normative classification. This is used for the quantitative classification of our igneous rock based upon the modal calculation and normative calculation. Here you can see for modal calculation it shows the actual minerals in thin section or hand specimen, but for normative classification these are the chemical composition recalculated into theoretical minerals. For the modal calculation it is the real mineral proportion which is expressed in volume percentage as well as weight percentage, but in normative calculation it is normative minerals list, and that is expressed ideally in weight percentage. For modal calculation we use the petrographic analysis like point counting and visual estimate, but for normative calculation we use the whole log chemical analysis, and everything will be converted into measure oxides, and those oxides will be further converted into specific set of mineral conversions. Okay, for modal calculation we use represents actually this reality whatever the present that we represent, but in normative classification these are theoretical approximation, and this is best for modal calculation is best for coarse grained plutonic rocks, but normative calculation is best for fine grained glassy altered or highly evolved igneous types of rocks. In modal calculation the example you can see the QAPF classification is the one example, but in normative classification we can see the TAS total alkali silica classification, basalt type, different types of basalt classification, those are normative classification. This is basically the classification, quantitative classification of your igneous rocks. Both modal calculation and normative calculation are being utilized. Thank you.